Ever wondered where the magic happens for the apps and services we use every day? Specifically, have you ever stopped to think, where exactly is Expensify's corporate headquarters? It's a pretty common question, especially with so many tech companies embracing remote work or having offices scattered across the globe. You might assume a big name in financial tech would be nestled in Silicon Valley, or perhaps a bustling financial hub like New York or London. But the answer might surprise you, and it actually tells an interesting story about how Expensify operates. Expensify, for those unfamiliar, is a major player in the world of expense management. They provide a comprehensive platform that helps individuals and businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, simplify the often dreaded task of tracking and reimbursing expenses, paying bills, and even booking travel. If you've ever had to submit an expense report, chances are you've either used Expensify or a similar service that's trying to catch up to their innovations. They're known for their user-friendly interface, their smart scanning of receipts, and generally making a tedious process much more efficient. So, with a global user base and a significant impact on how businesses manage their money, where does Expensify call home? While they do have a global presence with offices in places like San Francisco, London, and Melbourne, their official corporate headquarters is located at 401 Southwest 5th Avenue, Portland, Oregon, 97204, United States. That's right, Portland. It's a city known for its unique culture, vibrant art scene, and a growing tech industry that's a bit different from the traditional Silicon Valley model. Expensify's choice of Portland for its headquarters speaks volumes about their company culture and approach. They even renovated a historic bank building downtown, keeping original features like vaults and adding unique touches like hidden rooms and floating offices. This isn't your typical soulless corporate skyscraper, it's a space designed to inspire creativity and collaboration, reflecting the city's independent spirit. While they have a strong physical base in Portland, it's also worth noting that Expensify has embraced a distributed workforce. They have employees dotting the globe from Atlanta to Auckland and Minneapolis to Madrid, demonstrating a commitment to remote work long before it became a widespread necessity. This hybrid approach allows them to tap into a wider talent pool and offers flexibility to their team members. So, while Expensify helps businesses streamline their finances no matter where they are, their own core operations are rooted in the Pacific Northwest, in a city that embodies a blend of innovation and unique character. It's a testament to the idea that you don't have to be in the traditional tech hotspots to build a successful and influential company. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.